right, today we're going to bring a window camera, and this is a camera for your window, right? It has magnets that you're able to set up with adhesives, all right? Two of them. They give you extra one smaller one and two large ones. So I like this a lot. Not just for your window, but if you have a fish tank, you can even put it on your fish tank. They do require power. If you guys can see, they give you a long cable along with the brick. Not a lot of times they give you the brick no more. It doesn't include it. Cable management adhesive, so you could grab onto the cable, and you need to download the application. So we're going to do that and set this up right now and see how easy it works. Let's go over some features on the actual. It tells you this way is up, all right? So this has to be up. Now they do have an entry for a micro SD card, so that's important if you don't want to play for the cloud services. They have a reset button, audio, so you could hear it, or they can hear it too from the other side. And that's pretty much it. So right now we're going to turn it on and we're going to set it up on our phone. We're going to do a day and night view, see how it works. Right, so I just set up on my window. I'm going to clean my window right now, but we're going to see how it looks from the outside right now. I'm going to go stand there and record myself. Can't really see the camera from outside, but look at this. It's right there. It's a little dirty. I got to clean this part up, so we're going to clean it up. But right now I want to see how it looks. All right, we're going to take a look at the application itself. On the application, we're going to go into the actual phone application to actually view the camera. And this is where you're going to see a bunch of settings on there, right? So right now, we currently have it set up on our settings, but we're going to go to settings so you guys can see a little bit more what you can set up. You can device sharing, storage cloud, motion detected, alerts, advanced local applications, and privacy and network right now. So this is pretty much what you have on your phone. As you can see now, we're going to actually go into the camera itself so you can see a little bit about a live view. Now, this is a live view of the camera in here. Unfortunately, you can't move the camera. It's only one way. It's right set up on the window where it's going to capture whoever comes in. So on this one, you're going to be require a couple things. You could set up your memory card so you could capture and it saves into your actual system itself. But right now we have alerts, replay, sirens, talk mode, and camera on. You could record. You could talk two-way. You could take a picture, and you can listen into the audio. So this is the basic setups that you have for the camera. So very simple. Out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video.